Hi! Gary got me this hat for my birthday, isn't it great? So, I'm back. And it's 2018 now. So, 2018, I had this crazy idea. I want to try and collab with someone every month for 2018. They don't necessarily have channels, I just want to do videos with my friends. That's the real reason here. I just want to do videos with my friends because, I mean, I think it's fun. I don't know if they do, but I do. The thing is, I'm not sure if I have enough friends for 12 months of content, but we'll see. Or if anyone wants to collab with me, please contact me. You might see me making a video with a pigeon if I can't make any friends. Who knows? Knowing me, it will probably be a video at the end of every month. I actually have a lot of ideas, so I think this year I'm gonna do a lot of what I want to do. Like if a certain thing I do goes well, then I'll make more of that content, I guess. A summary of what I'm sitting here talking about. I want to collab with someone every month. There's video evidence now of me saying this. That's very dangerous. But I'm hoping it works as motivation. If you subscribed because you liked my China videos, sorry, I'm not in China anymore. Like, I'm not happy about that too. We'll just see if my friends like me enough to film a video with me. Who knows? I really need to go and edit a video now, okay? So, bye! 再见! 再见! Welcome to... What do we call it?
Welcome to Vegan Cooking with
Yeah.
Hannah and Gary.
Yeah. So today, we're making vegan pancakes. And we're going to try and make mango jam.
You know, mango.
We have no jams, so
Yeah.
we need jam
We
in
need
our
to
life.
get more jam in our life.
Let's get started.
Let's begin! You make
Wow.
me...
You make me begin.
Do you want to juice the lemon then?
Okay,
We have many selections of knives here. Which one would you like?
we're so good at this.
Wow.
Insert BTS clips now.
Wow.
Can you see
You
that?
could take the camera off the tripod.
Ooh.
Or you could take the whole tripod. Wow, you see this
Wait.
skill? Not skill.
There's something like really cute about Hannah's kitchen. Like she has all these notes in French. Can you see that?
This is when I was trying to learn French. This is what we do in our spare time. People go clubbing and you know, whatever. But we peel mangoes. Cinematography pro. What is the meaning behind this shot?
Stress,
Ah,
fear.
nice. Yes. This is fine, right?
Yeah. By the way, Hannah has earrings
Oh,
because
yes.
she got her ears pierced.
Yo.
And so
That's good.
now she can wear earrings.
Do I look fabulous? No.
People who have crushes on you on YouTube,
Oh,
those people in the
yes.
comments,
Shout out.
one of them might end up liking you, and so you can like, you can start dating them, and then like maybe
Wow,
they'll
this
give you
escalated.
Coming
like
up,
this earring.
Valentine's
$3.
days, $3.
$3.
Does this look appetizing to you?
Yeah, because
You want to eat this?
you're not at her same level.
Like, this is next level mango cutting, guys. I know you're so impressed right now.
Impressive.
So impressive.
This is not the efficient way to do it. I do not recommend you follow this video at all.
This is not a how-to. This is just a
This is how not to.
hair flip.
Yes.
I need to put that in slow-mo.
So the battery died. We're back. I cut them into pieces. Isn't that glorious? Now we need to put it in the blender. And I don't know how to use the blender. You want to do the water?
Wow. I'm so scared. Oh my god.
Wow, doesn't that look great?
That's like us after uni.
Yeah.
Yes, this should be the thumbnail for this.
Yeah.
one.
I don't know why I'm holding it here this long. It's probably unnecessary. Stir it well in high flame.
I have the same song. I can put that song on if you want.
Hey.
Add sugar.
Sugar.
Oh.
Help. We should have done this whole video in Chinese. Mango. That's all I know. This is
so much sugar, you guys. Imagine putting this in your tea and then add.
This is scary.
Oh, I thought it was this. It's good that you don't know what's going on. You really
We don't either.
That's so much sugar.
That's only half of it. You're meant to have 1.5. So healthy.
Nailed it.
We're meant to put more in.
Oh, I was like, okay, it's a jam, but no, more sugar.
Go, go, go.
Go, go, go.
Steer, steer, steer. I mean, this doesn't look that terrible at the moment. So now, as prepared by Gary earlier, we add the lemon juice. So we're still stirring the jam.
Or Jimin.
Jimin's jam. We've been here for like 20 minutes and it's going, progress is slow. I will start the pancake mixture now.
Gordon Ramsay is shook right now.
He is jump shook.
I think it's turning into something.
Really?
Look, you see that?
Yeah. Let's do a close-up. Wow.
Well, this is the jam. Alright, Jimin, here we go.
Jimin, yeah, you got no jams. Oh, no.
I feel like the pancakes will turn out like the potatoes of Joker.
It's so quiet now without it though.
Oh.
We have to be actually interesting now.
Silence. This turns out well, I'm just saying. I'm going to MasterChef next year. You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna drop out of uni and become chefs.
Kids master.
Yeah, of course.
Do it again. Do it again.
Yo,
This is jam, right?
what's good?
This is jam. How chill. How chill jam.
You put water. I don't know.
Oh, well. Is that what you wanted me to do?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm just standing here with salt, not knowing what's going on. Did you just say boussoir?
Boussoir. Okay. Okay. What is going on? I can't control this. I don't know what I'm doing. But hey, I made jam
We
today.
made jam at least. This is your new profile picture, I reckon.
Where did this come from?
Whoa, this is a lot of jam.
Oh, the jam though. The jam. The jam looks like jam.
We
I'm
got
just
jam
saying.
for days, man.
Let's move the jam because this is so precious right
Yeah,
now.
that's true.
If you were hoping for perfection in this video, you need to
came
stop
to the wrong
watching.
place. That's so
Cooking.
annoying when there's cooking videos and they don't taste it, and you're just there like.
I've watched you make
But
the
what
whole
does it
thing,
taste
and
like?
now
Yeah, that's mini pancake. This is a great shaped pancake, you know.
you could have done a heart shape.
Wow. I hope you like burnt pancakes because that might happen. Oops,
Ooh.
I dropped it. Yo, bro.
Yoro.
Well, I don't know if that's right. Is this good girlfriend material?
Yes. This is the perfect shot. Vegan pancakes. Vegan pancakes.
Oh. Oh, we've been here a long time, guys. It's not meant to take this long at all.
And we have Chinese class after
Yeah.
this.
Whoa, what happened to the jam?
Where's Shama? Let us know what grade you give.
Yes.
This.
Please rate our jam.
We need to know if we can go to MasterChef. I'm
Yeah.
serious about this.
This is going better than I expected, to be fair. Like,
She says this now, and then in a few
like,
minutes,
yeah,
everything is gonna change.
the house will probably burn down. But for now, basically, it's solidified. The pancakes are like so, like biscuits. Okay.
That's it.
Yeah. We should have just guessed this would happen. Like, knowing us, we knew things wouldn't go right from the beginning. Why did we even think that we were capable of this?
We were so proud of the jam.
We
The
were
beginning.
literally so happy.
We're like, we made jam. The jam looks like jam. Whoa, the texture is not what I was
It's
expecting.
like a biscuit, really.
3,
2,
1. We always do this, and then.
It's like crunchy, but on the edges, but it's soft. Oh, I taste the jam now.
Yes, ma'am. The jam is not so bad.
Yeah.
It tastes very much of the fruit.
Oh, you know, like wraps or something, like the pancake,
Oh yeah,
tortilla, bread, whatever.
yeah. This could turn up into biscuits, by the way. Just saying.
So this is part 1 because our original plan is not vegan. So you will see part 2.
For the non-vegans people.
For the non-vegan people, eventually. You could try sweet chili sauce.
Sure!
Should we try it? I'm not saying I usually do this, I'm just for the vlog, you know. Go.
China all over.
This actually reminds me of dumplings.
Yeah, I see how this could work.
It's like a taco. Now, maple.
It's good.
You can't go wrong with maple syrup.
Maybe you should put "We got vegan jams" as the title.
Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, if you made it to the end, well done. It's dark outside now, as you can see. So we have Chinese lesson now.
Oh yeah, make sure to watch our China vlog. If you don't know who I am, put like, subscribe,
comment, press the bell thing, all of it.
Just remember that Hannah is single, so you guys. 再见.
Okay, 再见.
Bye. See you next time.